డిమాండ్ చేశాడు. చేతులు కాళ్లకు మేకులు కొట్టించుకున్నాడు. దీంతో షిహాన్ హుసేనికి రక్తం బాగా కారింది. అతడు సొమ్మసిల్లి పడిపోవడంతో స్థానికులు వెంటనే ఆసుపత్రికి తరలించారు. అభిమానం ఉండొచ్చు గానీ మరి ఈ స్థాయిలో ఉండడం మంచిది కాదంటున్నారు స్థానికులు.
what he knows and tells what he knows and teaches what he knows and preaches what he knows, and that too crucified from a cross. You better listen to him. No future for Tamil Nadu without Amma. Amma. நட்சத்திர கூட்டத்துக்கு இடையே இருக்கும் சோலார் பிளானட்டரி சிஸ்டம் என்ற அமைப்பில் உலகம் என்ற ஒரு உருண்டையில் இந்தியா என்ற ஒரு முக்கில், சென்னை என்ற ஒரு முக்கில், பெசன் நகர் என்ற ஒரு முக்கில், கலாக்ஷேத்ரா காலனியில் நீங்களும் நானும் உயிரோடு பார்க்கக்கூடிய கண்கள், கேட்கக்கூடிய செவி, பேசக்கூடிய நாக்கு, யோசிக்கக்கூடிய மனம், வாழ்க்கை அவ்வளவு அபூர்வமானது. Life is a great thing to happen to you and to me. By the time we were rocking in a cradle, our cradlehood has gone, we were on all fours. And by the time we take one look behind, childhood is gone, we enter into school, schoolhood is gone. And by the time we take one more look behind, we go up having a child, and by the time we take one look behind, going to get over just like that. In this small life, there's another funny, interesting word, I. If you put I after C-A-N, it says, can I? Ennal mudiyuma. There is nothing impossible. முடியும் என்பதற்கு C-A-N க்கு பிறகு இருக்கும் அந்த I-ஐ எடுத்து C-A-N க்கு முன்னால் வைத்தால் வாழ்க்கையில் எதை வேண்டுமானாலும் சாதிக்கலாம். கிரிக்கெட், டென்னிஸ் என்ற மற்ற கலைகளை விட்டுவிட்டு நம்முடைய இளைஞர்கள் வில்வித்தை, நம்முடைய பாரம்பரிய கலையை எடுக்க ஒலிம்பிக்ஸில் 2020 must become the chief minister again of Tamil Nadu. I wish Amma a very, very happy 67th birthday, and I request Tamil Nadu to bring her back as the chief minister. God, if you are there, if you are listening, you better get my Amma back. What justice is that justice that gives no justice to the justified just. That justice that gives no justice to the justified just is no justice at all. I am fully justified in being crucified and praying to you, Lord, that you must bring back Amma as the chief minister. God bless you. Remain Amma.
న్యూస్ ఆన్లైన్ లో ఇప్పుడు షార్ట్ బ్రేక్ తీసుకుందాం.